Morning class. So up to chapter 17 we have discussed. Clear? This one we'll just discuss this chapter. Green pages. We'll just discuss about this topic, addiction woes. They are known as our enemy. Any kind of addiction is very bad. Likewise you are very addicted with the modern technology nowadays. You are very addicted with the telephones, phone, especially mobile phones, playing games and all these things. So this is a kind of addiction. So any kind of addictions are actually enemy for us. These are the great war enemy for us. So addiction is the condition of being unable to stop taking harmful drugs or using or doing something as a habit. This is your habit that you are used to with the mobile phones. Without the mobile phone you cannot lead your life. Without the mobile phone games you cannot start your day. These all are known as addictions, the habits you are carrying with you and you don't want to change for that. These are harmful, can be addiction for things you are having. It's addiction, drugs. Okay, having some drugs is a kind of addiction. Using or doing something habitually without changing it is also known as addiction. Extreme addiction of anything is thought of as a disease which may even require a medical treatment. So if anything excess will be happen, you have to treat yourself. It can be anything. Excess having food is also a kind of addiction, that you are addicted with the foods. And if you take too much food and having this excess point, that means you are having this kind of disease and you have to treat for that. Clear? So addiction is that. So what is addiction? We come to know it's a condition which we are unable to stop. It can be anything. Taking drugs, doing or having something regularly, habitually is known as addiction. Now, here some words associated with addictions are there. What are those? To understand an addiction, you should learn some new words generally associated with an addiction. These words you have to learn. Addict. A slave to a habit or vice, especially a drug. Addict. Especially for a drug, we are using this word addict. Drug of addiction, a habit of forming drug. Drug of addiction, habit. Substance abuse, a general word for the inappropriate use of substances such as alcohol, solvents, drugs, etc. These all are substance abuse. Clear? Substance abuse. After that, overdose, excessive dose of anything. Excessive food if you have, that is also overdose. Drug and all. Medicines and all. Cold turkey, the unpleasant state that drug addicts experience when they suddenly stop taking a drug. Now, if you suddenly stop that addiction, generally what happens? Your body will move in different way. That is cold turkey. Suddenly you cannot change your addiction. That you stop and it will change, it will not. After effect will be there. That situation is known as unpleasant state, is actually known as cold turkey. After that, teetotaler, a total abstainer from an alcoholic drink. Abstainer. So these are the terms, you just learn it. Just learn it to understand that what is addiction and what are the words is actually associated with addiction and all. Okay. Some common addictions. Now we come to know about some common addictions. What are those? That are generally found in people of varying age groups. Drinking alcohol, drinking soft drinks, these all are actually various kind of addictions, common addictions related with various types of age we are finding. Taking caffeine in coffee and tea, smoking, misbehaving with girls and ladies, copying in examination, taking drugs, tobacco chewing, telling lies, playing video or computer games. So your addiction is also there, playing video games and all. So this is a part of common addictions. Varying ages, these all vary according to the ages. Okay, so these are the common addictions. Intelligence in gaming, gambling, reading comics, watching television, eating junk food, these are also addictions. Watching television, eating junk food. Clear? So focus on that. Now here we have to just put a tick for a good habit and cross for the wrong one. To start taking a drug for fun without considering its effect on physical and mental health is very wrong. Cross it. Okay. To start having a few puffs or cigarette if your companion asks you to do so, you should not. You should not have this. Cross it. To try a bad habit for the first time because you think it will not affect you much. No, if you start doing bad habits, it will continue with you. It will be habitual for you. So cross it. To read off with someone's vehicle for fun without asking him or her permission. No, it should not be. You should always ask permission from others for that. Eating or drinking something only after having proper knowledge about the ingredients used in preparing it. Yes, you should always take care of these things. That what you are having and what is behind this, you should know properly. So, correct one. To start gambling with friends as it will help you get money in an easy way is very wrong way. So, cut it. To use internet in a limited way, true. To start drinking alcohol because your senior says it is good, no. Cross it. To lie to your parents because your friends told you to do so, no. You should not lie to your parents, never. So cross it. To have a friendship with people who help you stay positive and responsible, yes. Take it, it's correct one. So this green chapter, these green pages we have just discussed about the addiction. Addiction of many things related with the various ages, and some steps we actually come to know what is wrong and what is good. Clear, good habit or wrong one. So just read out this chapter. Okay, thank you class.